In this video, you'll learn how to obtain the Bitget referral code bonus. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate the Bitget platform to access referral rewards. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Bitget website address. Once the page loads, you will see the homepage featuring various cryptocurrency trading options. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Next, locate the profile icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of the web page. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This action will display several options, including settings, which you will need to select next. After clicking settings, a new screen will appear showing various account management options. Look for the dashboard option within this menu and click on it to proceed. Once you're on the dashboard, identify the My Profile section on the left side of the screen. Click on My Profile to access your personal information and settings. This area contains all the details. Now, you will see several tabs related to your profile. Find and click on the Info tab. This tab provides specific details about your account, including your referral code. Next, look for the referral code section within the Info tab. Click on this option to view your unique referral code. This is essential for participating in referral programs and earning bonuses. Once you have accessed the referral code section, you will see your referral code displayed. Click on the code labeled 2SRNDRX-H to copy it for later use. This code will allow you to invite others to join Bitget. After copying your referral code, navigate back to the profile options and click on More. This will give you additional settings related to your account, including referral. Locate and click on the referral option to access the referral program details. This section contains information on how to earn rewards through referrals. Now, find the referral treasure hunt option and click on it. This will present you with a message inviting you to join the treasure hunt journey. This event offers rewards, including a trading bonus and a crypto voucher. Next, click on the referral task option to view the tasks associated with the treasure hunt. Completing these tasks is necessary to claim your rewards. Now, click on Claim Attempt to initiate the process of claiming your rewards. You will be presented with instructions on what is required to qualify for the bonuses. A message will appear detailing the requirements for earning your rewards, such as inviting friends to deposit and trade specific amounts. Ensure you understand these tasks clearly. After reviewing the requirements, click on Claim Attempt, again to proceed with the claiming process. Follow any additional instructions provided on the screen to successfully complete this step. Next, you will see another message related to inviting friends to trade a set amounts. This is part of the referral program's requirements for earning bonuses. Continue by clicking on My Records to check your progress within the referral program. This section keeps track of your referral activities and claims. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.